At NERD, Nucleic Exchange Research and Development, genetic engineers Clive Nicoli and Elsa Cast aspire to become well known for their work splicing animal DNA to produce hybrids for medical applications. Two huge vermiform creatures named Fred and Ginger, meant to mate, are the result of their labor. Clive and Elsa intend to successfully breed them in order to produce a groundbreaking animal-human hybrid. This is prohibited by their employers, Joan Chorot and William Barlow, who instead direct them to concentrate on identifying and removing proteins from Fred and Ginger in order to produce drugs. But Clive and Elsa carry out their schemes covertly, creating a viable prepubescent female monster. Elsa convinces Clive to let the hybrid to survive even though their original goal was to end it before it reached full term. The hybrid matures mentally like a toddler but ages physically more faster than humans. Elsa names it Dren after it uses toys to spell out nerd after noticing the acronym on Elsa's blouse. Gavin, Clive's brother, finds Dren but runs away when she leaps on him. When Elsa discovers that Dren has a fever, she attempts to give her some cold water in an industrial-sized sink. Clive submerges Dren in his grasp. Dren has to utilize her gills as a result, demonstrating her amphibious nature. Elsa and Dren have a motherly relationship. Elsa and Clive ignore their work with Fred and Ginger in the interim. Fred and Ginger get into a brawl at a well-publicized presentation, ending with deaths. Ginger had transformed into a man on her own, but Clive and Elsa were too busy staring at Dren to notice. Dren is relocated by the couple to the remote property where Elsa was raised. Dren discloses that she enters adolescence, has retractable wings, and has carnivorous tendencies. She is tired of being confined, but Elsa and Clive worry that someone might find her outside. Clive discovers that Elsa's human DNA was used to construct Dren, not the DNA of an unidentified donor as Elsa had previously informed him. Elsa brutally restrains Dren after she kills her pet cat with the stinger on her tail. She amputates the stinger and uses it to make a protein for their job. To Elsa's dismay, Dren uses her pheromones to entice Clive while they are alone, and they have intercourse. Elsa is charged by Clive with not desiring a normal child before that point because she was afraid of losing control. When they go back to the farm to kill Dren, they discover that she appears to be dying. William Barlow shows up at the barn with Gavin, who gives the location away, after finding human DNA in Dren's protein samples. Dren is buried behind the barn, according to Elsa. Dren assaults them after changing into a man on his own volition. He kills Barlow and Gavin before raping Elsa. In an attempt to assist Elsa, Clive confronts Dren, but Dren overcomes him. Elsa tries to stop Dren from killing Clive by attacking him, but she falters. Then Elsa murders Dren. Joan informs Elsa in an office tower that the corporation is filing patents for several biochemical components found in Dren's body. She makes Elsa an enormous financial offer to carry out her pregnancy, which Elsa accepts. Elsa is clearly pregnant.